Hi, this is Lander bringing you another fine sewing machine. This one is a Singer 66. The design is called Redeye. A little worn on the bed, but the machine works great. We're going to start our demonstration with some nice wool blend material. You'll notice this is a hand crank, which means nice quiet operation, no motor noise. That's especially good for those of you who are sensitive to that sort of thing, electrical fields and the like. And next we'll sew some denim. And just to show you how powerful this little machine is, we're going to double that and double it again, and now we have 8 layers of denim here that we're going to sew. See that? No effort whatsoever. Okay, here we have some canvas. And how about some leather? There we go. That concludes our demonstration.